My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Renault Trafic Sport. This vehicle has done just over 17,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that the Trafic comes with 9 seats, all of which have a black leather trim. On the touchscreen, we can get access to navigation, multimedia, Bluetooth, my vehicle, services and system. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.